this is our hotel management MIS application. For that, first we need to enter username, that manager's username. Then we need to enter the password and then press on login button. These are the credentials that we need to have in the system. After that, these are the entries already existing in our system. For that, we need to add a room. Select room type. There are several room types: single, double, triple, and family. Based on the requirement of the customer, you can select. Suppose we are selecting the customer requirement is family. Then we need to enter the room number. Then click on add room. See, we just entered C101. It is already existing in the family room type with a booking room booking status. For that, we need to click on book room. This is the reservation page that will open in the first way. So we need to click on, these are the two room type and room number will fetch accordingly. So what we just need to enter the check-in date and check-out date as per the requirement of customer. Then it will automatically calculate the price of those 6 days or those check-in date, check-out date. After that, we need to fill the customer details such as first name, last name, contact number, email address, ID card type, ID card number, and then address. After filling all the details, click on submit button. It will show you the details accordingly. Click on OK. So after this, go on the room management portion. You will see that C101 is available for C101 is booked. So after that, click on check-in button. Here you will get the details accordingly, and the total price is 18,000, and based on that you'll have to enter the advance payment. See, here it is checked in, but after that, after the certain data, if the customer wants to see the customer, if you want to see the customer information, that you can easily see that the remaining amount also. After the checkout, click on checkout. You'll have to enter the remaining amount, just like the total amount was 18,000 and the remaining amount is 8,000. So you'll have to pay the exact remaining amount. See, C101 room is available because the customer has already checked out. This is all about the room management, and you can also delete that room type. After that, click on staff management section. Here you can see all the details of the current staff who are working in several shifts, several joining dates, their shift, their salary. You can change the shift as well. But before that, we need to add a employee. Here you can select the type of the employee. Currently we are having manager, cleaning, reception, cook, and waiter. You can choose anyone. Reception. You can change the shift. You can select the shift accordingly. Just like here, we choose the shift 10 AM to 4 PM. Then you need to enter the first name and last name. Then the credentials of the employee. ID card type. So we just include the things accordingly, that voter ID card would be in this format. We need to include the contact number as well, their address, and the fixed salary that needs to be given to the receptionist. Here you can auto increment as well. Then click on After adding employee successfully added, click on the staff management. Here you can see that Ravi Kumar Patel, you can search the employee details as well, that Ravi Kumar Patel has been added to staff section with shift 10 AM to 4 PM. Joining date is today's, that is 29 November, and salary which was fixed to 10,000. Here you can change the shift as well. Click on change shift. Also
इसकी change करते
suppose you want to change the shift of the manager, you can change the shift and 10 AM and click on submit. It will automatically change the shift in the staff management portion. Also you can see the employee history, that in which shift he has done the work. Currently he is working in a day 10 AM to 4 PM, that is today's date. Evening he had done, means you can have the employee history that in which time he has done the work accordingly. Next you click on complaint section. Here you can enter the complaint of any customer. For that you need to name the employee detail and type of a complaint, that what the problem that customer is facing. Click on the complaint writing, water problem in bathroom. Okay, water problem. Click on the submit button. After successfully clicking on submit button, you can see that the Ravi Kumar Patel having the type of complaint, that is water, and the water problem in bathroom, that it's created in the. For that, if you want to resolve that particular problem, click on the budget that needs to be given to solve the problem. After clicking, see the Aniket Raj was having the problem which was fixed with the budget of 10,000, which was the problem was water problem, and with the manager pension. So in the given system we can reserve a room, we can add employee details, we can add the complaint detail. This is all about what we did. So after that you can